Okay guys, now I'm going to make some changes or modification to this simple database sheet. Before I do that, I really want to have or conserve this set of entry and have a backup so that the file is safe of future changes and remains intact. To do that, what I will do is right click on the sheet name, and over there in the options there is this move or copy option. I will click on that and then I will create a copy to this workbook, and okay, and now we have this simple database 2 as the copy of a simple database. For now I will let the name of the sheet remain as it is, simple database 2. And now moving on to the modification part, what I will do is I will quickly go to the department database. Over here I have employee number and department job, so I will select this two title as select these two cells of containing the title and copy it by pressing Ctrl C or copy, and then I will move back to my simple database 2 and I will paste the transpose. Now to the corresponding cells I will apply VLOOKUP formula, where the lookup cell will be this as usual, and I will make sure that it is absolute, and to do that you hit F4 to scroll down the list of styles available in Excel, and then followed by comma, and then there is table array, so it will be from department database. Okay, I will select this cell, Control Shift right, Control Shift down, and what I will do is next up is followed by comma, 2, false, and enter. Okay, there is some mistake over here. It's the braces problem, so I have started two opening parentheses, that is giving me the error. Moving on, enter. So I have this cells automatically selected from here, so if I select any from here, the employee number, the corresponding department is selected. There is one mistake I noticed, that I by mistake forgot to format this cell as usual in the dark format for the heading, so I will quickly do that. And now moving on to our simple database, what I will do is apply the same formula to this cell, and over here what I will do is the column number will be not 2 but the same for 3, the job title. Now let's move this set of entry to over, say, oops, mousepad is sometimes really irritating on Excel. So to move the selected data, just click on the dark border and you can move it over here, and again you can move it by dragging on the dark green border, and I will quickly adjust the column width accordingly, and obviously this is not the background color that I will keep. I will format it to, as usual, green background, light green, and to the headings also I will apply this, and now we are done. Now if I change anything, everything changes accordingly. So we have this completely different database. This output or this whatever this is displaying over here as the result of department and job title is coming from a totally different source, which has nothing to do with this HR file over here. Only the common thing is the employee number, and this is coming from a completely different database having just one common employee number, and still we are able to link it very properly. So in the next video what we will do is we will also link or use VLOOKUP for addresses, but you will notice that there over here there is not that common employee number, so there will be a trick involved, and we will check that out in the next video.